Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? May Allah protect and bless you all. As you know, in previous video, we learned about oil and natural gas production in Muslim world. Today, we will study further minerals and natural resources of the Muslim world. Next natural mineral is coal. The coal producing Muslim countries are Kazakhstan, Central Asia, which enjoys the 10th position in world production. Pakistan till recently had low quality coal, but now better quality coal has been discovered at Thar, which is being considered for producing electricity. Coal is a declining fuel, and though there are reasonable deposits in Pakistan, coal is not commonly used where there are other sources of energy available because coal is dirty and very polluting when burned. Its transport and storage are problems. It pollutes the surroundings. The smoke from burning coal pollutes the atmosphere, and gas and oil are much cleaner, more easily manageable, and easy to transport as compared to coal. Students, kindly read the page number 20 and 21, which shows minerals and other products of the Muslim world. And on page number 21, a column shows country name, its products, and world ranking. Next, natural resources copper. First, we will discuss the uses of copper. Copper is used largely in the electrical industries because it is one of the good conductor. It is also used in cables, wires, and many other components connected with the generation of power and electrical equipment. It is also very useful for making cooking pots as it heats up very quickly. And a mixture of copper and other metals is used to make coins. It was one of the first metals ever to be discovered by early people who mixed it with tin to make a much harder metal, which was bronze, and bronze objects were discovered at Mohenjo-daro dating back to about 2500 BCE. And Indonesia is the third largest producer of copper in the world. Next point is lead. It is used for making motor car batteries. It is also used in X-ray equipment as it protects doctors and nurses working the machines from the rays, which are very dangerous in large amounts. And it is also used in buildings and for making bullets. Bullets means which is used in rifle और पिस्टल. गोलियाँ जो गोली राइफल में और पिस्टल में डलती है उसमें भी lead यूज़ होता है. The Muslim world produces 6% of the world's supply of lead. Understood? Let's come to another natural mineral, which is zinc. It is also a metal and it is used in cheap form of roofing. As you can see in this picture, it is a house and zinc is used to make roof top. It is also used in torch batteries and is an important ingredient in many medicines. And it is also used in the production of car tires and television tubes. Zinc is used mainly for weatherproofing as it does not rust. मीन्स कि जिंक को जंग नहीं लगता, तो इसीलिए इसको वेदर प्रूफिंग के तौर पे भी यूज़ किया जाता है. एंड काजाकिस्तान रैंक 9th in the world for production of zinc. Next mineral is nickel. It is often used like zinc to coat steel objects to stop them from rusting. It is the shiny metal. Here is a picture of nickel. And you can see it on bicycles, handlebars, and on the bumpers of cars. It is also used to make some silver coins. Indonesia is the fourth largest producer of nickel. Now come to very valuable natural resource, mineral. Students, can you think about that? It is gold. We usually think of jewelry when we think of gold, but today it has a much more important place in industry. It is the best conductor of all metals in the world and will never rust. कभी भी गोल्ड को जंग नहीं लगता. आप इसको जितने मर्जी साल रख दें, इसको जंग नहीं लगता. It is not affected by most chemicals. Today it is used in scientific equipment, especially for making important connections in computers and other electronic equipments. It's sometimes used for making artificial teeth. Indonesia 7th and Uzbekistan 9th rank among the top 10 producer of world's gold. Now come to last mineral, that is silver. It has the highest conductivity, which means heat and electricity transfer at higher level in this metal. Now come to its uses. It is used in industries. Besides, its use for jewelry and decorative items. Kazakhstan ranks 9th among the world's largest producer of silver. Students, you got all the points related to today's topic. Hope you understand. We have completed all the minerals and natural resources in this video. In previous video, we discussed about oil and gas and remaining minerals discussed in this video. Now let's come to home assignment. I hope you all completed your home assignments on your copies. Question number 1 is describe at least 2 uses of each of the following metals. Number 1, copper. Number 2, lead. Number 3, zinc. 4, nickel. and 5 gold. Friends, I explained in detail the uses of these metals, so you can take help from this video to complete your home task. Question number 2 is, why do you think is coal not commonly used? Discuss the reasons. As I explained, coal is not commonly used because coal is dirty and very polluting when burnt. Second point, its transport and storage are a problem as it polluted the surroundings. Third point, the smoke from burning coal pollutes the atmosphere. Gas and oil are much cleaner and more easily manageable and easier to transport as compared to coal. Got it? At the end, I want to say, friends, kindly learn all the fill in the blanks, worksheet and question answers that we have completed on notebooks. Thank you. Stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.